Hi, this is Jason from the QuickBooks team. Using your desktop mobile app and QuickBooks Desktop or Enterprise, you can upload receipts from your phone and add them as new transactions or match them with existing transactions in QuickBooks to increase your efficiency. Let's go through how to upload receipts to QuickBooks and review, edit, and match receipts. To upload receipts, select Vendors and Receipt Management. You have three options to upload receipts: Browse to upload, Email receipts, or Snap on Mobile. The receipt must be a PDF, JPEG, JPG, or PNG. If you already have the receipts on your computer, select Browse to upload receipts directly from your computer. Select Email Receipts to create an email to forward receipts to the company file. Each image or file must contain only one receipt, but you can send multiple images or files in one email. Select Snap on Mobile to take a picture of your receipt using your phone. To use Snap on Mobile, download the QuickBooks Desktop app. Open the app and select Receipt. Select Snap Receipt to open your phone's camera and take a photo of your receipt. Select Use this photo. Fill in a name and a memo for your receipt. Use the memo to note the customer or job, or any other details you want to remember so you can add it to QuickBooks later. Then select Upload. If you're using the app for the first time, you'll need to sign into your Intuit account and select the required company file. Let's jump back to QuickBooks. Return to your receipt management window and select Refresh to see the uploaded receipt. For each receipt, you have the option to review, delete, or move the transaction to bills. Let's select Review. If the receipt matches a transaction in QuickBooks, select Attach to attach the receipt to the transaction. This prevents QuickBooks from duplicating the transaction. If the match is incorrect, select Remove Match and create a new transaction. If the receipt does not match a transaction in QuickBooks, add more information in Receipt Details. Use your memo to remember the details. Select Rematch to find an existing match, or Save and Add to register to create a new transaction in QuickBooks. You can see the receipts you've already added under the Reviewed tab. Now you're ready to use your computer or phone to upload receipts to QuickBooks Desktop to increase your efficiency.